Hello and welcome to this lesson. Here I'm going to show you how can you take your Illustrator vector logo and turn it into 3D using After Effects. Then we're also going to be doing a little bit of animation. Our first step is going to be to go File, Import. I'm going to look for my logo and I'm going to import as composition. Once I import as composition, I'm going to double click on my composition and all my elements should come up. Got my lion, text, white band, black band, and my coin. The first step is going to be to select all of them and tell After Effects to create shapes with each one of these vectors. So go into Layer, Create Shapes from Vector Layer. Now notice how all of them have been duplicated and the previous Illustrator files have been shut off. So we will not be needing this anymore. We'll delete those. My next step will be to turn all the outlines into 3D layers. Just like so. I'm going to make sure that my renderer is set up to Ray Trace 3D, and I'm going to go into my active camera and change it to Custom View 1. I'm going to select my lion outlines and I'm going to click and drag. Now I am ready to start extruding. So I'm going to uncollapse the layer, Geometry Options, and I'm going to play with the extrusion depth value. Automatically, After Effects is going to create some extrusion. So I'm going to set this one up to around 50% because we're going to move around this particular logo. I'm going to set it up to World Axis mode. And then, to navigate better, I'm going to select my Unified Camera tool. To have even better navigation, let's change the quality here. Fast Draft. Now that's much more easier. Collapse and outlines, and we will apply extrusion depth to the rest of our elements. The text, the white band, the black band, and the coin. You can press AA and this will automatically give us a shortcut for our extrusion. If I want to move my object, I can click on my selection tool, click and drag, and I can also press C to access my Unified Camera tool. If I right click, I can track in and out. And if I left click, I can orbit around my logo. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps of extrusion to the rest of my logo.